guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lupe. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out today's video. And what I have for you guys today is actually going to be an Ipsy unboxing. You guys see it? The pink bag, the glory, the pink bag. It's been a while since I've had Ipsy, honestly. I've had it before, but I canceled it, and I've had it before and I canceled it, and I got an email, and that's why I renewed it. And I also had a request from a friend to get Ipsy again, so I did. And here we are, Ipsy unboxing, unbagging. I mean, technically it's a bag, so let's say unbagging. Yeah, okay, so first things first, let's jump right in. Okay, so essentially this is my bag right here. I'm showing you guys this side because I'm about to flip it over so you guys can see what I received in my mailbox. This, just like this, literally like this, literally like this, like open. And that's pretty disappointing. I understand why this happened because it was too overpacked, but it shouldn't happen. And if I had lost other product, I would have been upset. And I don't know how Ipsy works, and like if I receive a bag and I only get some of this stuff, like I don't know what they do. I don't know what they do. But I just wanted to point it out because, I mean, it's only 10 bucks. I'm not losing like $40. But I feel like if I did lose anything, it would still break my heart. What is Ipsy, you may ask? Well, if you've seen my BoxyCharm videos, it's not like BoxyCharm. It's technically the same. It is a subscription service that sends you makeup or skincare, just like BoxyCharm. But let's not talk about BoxyCharm in this video. It's Ipsy. So Ipsy is a subscription service that sends you makeup or skincare. But unlike other services, whether they do full-size products or trial-size products, this one is strictly trial-size products. Sometimes they have full-size products like big brushes or a real lip gloss, like a full-size one, but that's not always the case. It's mainly like deluxe size samples, if that makes sense. And you pay $10. It includes shipping, and I think it's only available at the US. I'm not sure if it's available anywhere else. But yeah, you take a quiz, and then from there, at the beginning of the month, they charge you 10 bucks, and then from the quiz, they gather up profiles and decide what to give you in your bag. And this is relatively new. It wasn't available when I first left, second left, sometimes left Ipsy. Now you can add on items for, it can either be $6 for more deluxe items versus $3 for less deluxe items. I don't know how to explain that other than like better stuff costs more than lesser stuff. I don't know how to explain it, but you can add on more products than what you get. Typically you get 4 to 5 products. Now they have a service where you can add on more products that you might be getting that month. So that's what I did. I added more. That is the longest explanation for a subscription, but your main takeaway is, why not try it? It's only $10, and honestly, the bags that I have gotten in the past from when I was subscribed to Ipsy till now have been really cute. So let's open it. It's already open because, as you guys can tell, I mentioned it. This is how I got my bag. Luckily, this sticks to the back of it, so this did not fly off, which is cool. One thing out. I'm going to take everything out and then show you guys. But, okay. So, this month's theme, which is June 2019, is Block Party. And now, they have a little pamphlet that shows you everything you get. So, here it is. And they also offer Glam Bag Plus, which is like, I don't want to mention BoxyCharm again, but I will. Like BoxyCharm, where you get full-size products, not just deluxe samples, which is really cool. But I only want to get the bag, so that's where we are. The theme actually was Tetris for the baggies. And let me tell you, this purple pink is not my color, but how cute is it? I mean, just look at it. And it's got the little Tetris on it. And it says Tetris. And it's got nice quality feeling. So, like I said, the bags usually never disappoint. Don't quote me. But let's open it up. I will show you guys my add-ons and what I got extra. But first, I'm going to focus on what I received. And for the 5 samples that I got 2 sheet masks. And I honestly love it when they send me sheet masks because they never just give you 1. They give you like 2 or 3. So I actually got 2. And they're from one of my favorite companies right now, Pharmacy. How cute. I got the brightening, and the hydrating. And honestly, I'm so excited to try these. In the sneak peeks that I saw, this is honestly what I wanted to try. So kudos to Ipsy for sending me this awesome sauce. Good job. This retails for, I think it tells you now. Does it tell you how much it retails for? It actually doesn't tell you how much they retail for, but if it did, it's probably like $3 a piece at least. So $6 already. 2 masks. Wow. Okay, let's move on to the next part. I got this Tetris inspired brush. I don't know if they collabed with Ipsy or Tetris made their own brand, but I'm pretty sure it's just a collab. And it's the pink one, and it's a fluffy blending brush, and it feels really nice. I don't feel like it's bad quality. Legit a brush. Now we're gonna move on to this. I've never heard of this brand, but it is from Sugar. I don't know if it will tell me exactly here. Sugar Cosmetics, and this is the Contour They Force Mini Highlighter in #1 Champagne Champion. So this is the sleeve, this is the component, and it's got sugar on it. And there was the little plastic that just flew off. This is the shade, and I just realized I have other highlighter on my hand. Give me a second. That was not it, but let's try that again. Hands clear. Let's do a little swatch. So this one, ooh, wow. Is it a cream? Is this a cream? Is this a cream? Hang on. I don't know if it's a cream or not, but if it is, it feels extremely creamy. Look at this. You guys, look at it. How cute. That's very cute. Okay, this wins. You know, I'm a highlighter hoarder, so highlighters win. The fourth item, sorry, I'm on number 4. Is going to be the Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer from First Aid Beauty. And that's cute. I mean, I'm always into hydrating primers because you guys know, dry skin. That's going to be fun to try out. And then the last item is actually from Pixi by Petra. And this is their Lip Lift Mask. Glossy Lip Plumper. Ooh. Oh, the shade's Lift Lip Mask, right? Hang on, you guys, I'm so slow. I'm sorry. This is, no, actually the shade is Sheer Rose, but the actual like lip plumping thing is called the Lip Lift Max. Oh, that's cool. Oh, should we do a swatch? Let's do a swatch. All right, I can expect it to sting because, you know, plumpers do that. We're not going to find out right now because I already have lipstick on, but lip gloss on, but you know, let's see it. Okay, that's cute. Oh, this is a pretty color. It's a little bit more on the sheer side, but I also feel like this would really work for an everyday. This is what it looks like. It smells super minty, and not in a bad way, like in a good way. Oh wow, that just feels like it's gonna sting my lips. We're gonna try it out. That's cool. Okay, so those are my 5 items. I don't know if the bag counts as one, but I mean, 5 items. 1 bag. How cute. Now for add-ons, because I did do an add-on because I wanted to try more stuff. When you do add-ons, they actually don't tell you what you get in your bag. It just tells you, would you like to add these on? So you don't even know until you get your bag, or if they do like reveal my bag, that's when you know. I did, for $3, added these 2 masks, and they sealed them up. And I'm assuming that because they added extra to the bag, that's why my bag exploded outside. But I added these 2, and of course, you guys know, I mean, I already got the hydration and the brightening on the pharmacy side. But I really wanted to try these, and I want to try these for you guys in a video. But this is their, I want to say this was their brightening one, and then this one is their hydrating one. And it's a 3-step mask. And I mean, for $3, you get 2 of them. I mean, it's like a no-brainer. I mean, I didn't pay for it. My husband did. But, you know, we don't tell him that we paid $3 extra. We just, like, put it on there. Anyway, that's what I added for my add-on. And, yeah. The one thing that I did get for re-signing up for Ipsy, and sometimes they do this, not always, so don't quote me, they do different things, is when I decided to rejoin Ipsy, they actually gave me the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions eyeshadow palette, which is really cute. Again, I was going to renew to Ipsy anyway, but then this was one more reason to renew with them. So if you did leave it, maybe they send you an email regarding like products that you can get on top of your Ipsy bag. So I would definitely recommend you guys, you know, using up those emails. But I'm not saying like quit Ipsy's and then they send you the email. More like if you haven't tried it in a while, maybe you want to wait for an email. Maybe they'll send you a Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions, but this is what it looks like. It's a very tiny palette, I consider it. But this is actually like their full-size palette. It just looks really tiny. Like my hand is this small, guys. So it's kind of small to me. I'm pretty sure the pans are probably like thick ones. I don't know how much this retails for. I think it's like over 20 bucks. I think this is a very pretty pink and like it says Mauve Obsessions colors. So this is it. I think for me wanting to try Ipsy again anyway, this was just really an added bonus on top. Not everyone gets those emails. Not everyone gets the chance to do that. But if you do, like me, lucky us. But if not, I definitely do recommend doing the add-ons on your Ipsys. I mean, $3 more. I mean, I'm just saying it. Not all the add-ons are like perfect, but like sometimes they like really give you a good deal. So definitely try them out. I do recommend Ipsy. I feel like it's a good subscription service. For $10, you get 5 deluxe size products. And sometimes you like really think about it and you're like, it's just deluxe products. But sometimes they throw in stuff like a full size brush. And then you're just like, okay, this brush probably covers the whole price of the bag. Or you get sheet masks. And sheet masks, honestly, like they just make up for the price. So I think it's worth trying. And you guys, this bag. Wouldn't you guys want more makeup bags? There's never too many. But yeah, these are my first unbagging of the Ipsy bag for the month of June. If you guys stuck with me to the very end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.